The first 30 minutes after you wake up are either working for your face or quietly against it. And many women, many people have no idea what's happening there. I'm Dr. Greg Bickler, welcome. Today I'd like to take some of your time and show you the truth behind what really happens to your face overnight and every morning. So I've been in aesthetics for over 35 years. Yes, I'm a dentist, but believe me, my experience goes far beyond oral health and facial anatomy, including owning a med spa, Joliet Aesthetics, with my wife, Cindy, here in Scottsdale, Arizona. I can tell you, first of all, within minutes of meeting any of my clients, patients, when they come in, whether their mornings are helping their skin or slowly working against it. And here's what surprises many people, many women. It's not always what you're putting on your skin, it's what you're doing the first 30 minutes after you wake up. So here's what I'd like you to do. Very important, you need to start your day, and this is before your coffee, your phone. Start your day with a large glass of water. It's just really important, okay? And as you probably know, I mean, when you're sleeping all night, your body's repairing, rebuilding, and it's becoming dehydrated. It uses up a lot of moisture. So when you wake up, you might not notice it, but chances are you feel off. Maybe your skin doesn't have the right texture, you're puffy, heaviness, you just feel off. 9 times out of 10, honestly, it's not aging. It's typically dehydration. So again, 1 full glass of water in the morning could literally change how you might look the rest of the day. Try it. Try for the next week, every day. See what happens. If you notice a difference, comment for me, okay? I'd love to know. Now, if you want to take that water up a level, here's what I'd suggest. Electrolytes. Sodium, potassium, magnesium. Here's the truth behind electrolytes. Water alone, as we get into midlife or older, doesn't always get into your cells very efficiently. Electrolytes, they help your cells actually use the water much more efficiently. So that one small shift, adding those to your water in the morning, can noticeably improve how your skin holds hydration and looks, again, throughout the day. I promise you. Give it a try if you can. All right. Now, here's one of the steps that many women in general probably skip at times, okay? But it's one of the fastest ways to change how your face looks overnight. See, when we're sleeping and we're laying down, fluid settles in your face. It settles under your eyes. You get those eye bags, your cheeks, your jawline gets puffy. That puffy look, here's the truth behind it. Your lymphatic system is designed to move that outward, but it doesn't always work that way. So instead of aggressively rubbing your cheeks, certainly your eye bags, you're just going to make things worse. Here's what you do. Cool cloth or a jade cold roller, and you just roll it out right underneath your jawbone here, towards your ear and down. Give it some time. Believe me, and sometimes it takes a few days. Your face will clear. It'll look a lot better. I really believe that for you. So try it. Try it for a week, okay? All right, now, next tip, protein. My wife doesn't like eggs, so this doesn't work for her. She'll have something else. But here's the truth behind protein in your skin. We all have collagen. I mean, our bodies are made up of collagen. That structure is what keeps your skin firm, and that's made from protein. And as we get into our 40s and beyond, we start to lose that collagen. Our skin starts to break down. So what I want you to do is fit in a little protein in the morning, whether it's some yogurt, eggs, cottage cheese. I love protein shakes. Doesn't have to be complicated. It doesn't have to be a lot. It'll make a big difference, though. It'll help support your skin. It'll give you a much healthier look if you do that consistently. So, one more thing I'd like to suggest. Okay, so you're done with your shower, nice hot shower, you feel great, but here's what I'd like you to do, please. A little bit of cool water at the end, 10, 15 seconds. And the truth behind it is, Hot water, yeah, it feels great. It's good for you, but what it does, it'll leave your skin slightly inflamed, your facial pores kind of open. So if you use cool water, it'll calm down your skin, reduce inflammation, and I can tell you this, you're gonna like this. When you're using makeup, it's gonna go on much smoother and it's gonna last a lot longer. So I've seen this over and over again, and patients have talked about it. So I believe it works. Okay, so we're coming to the end here. I hope this was helpful. I enjoyed it, so I hope you stuck to the end. If you ever wanted to go a little bit deeper, by the way, I created a 7-day natural glow guide that'll walk you exactly through what I taught today, but also a little bit more. So go to my profile, tap the link called Stan Store. Take a look at it if you'd like, all right? I'm Dr. Greg. Thought it was a great 8 minutes or so. At least I enjoyed myself. Take care. Hope to see you at the next video. Take care.